Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to add a payment method for Instagram promoted posts. That's really simple. You have a two option. First of all, you just log in your account into the Instagram mobile app. After that, simply you can just tap on your post and then tap on boost, or you can simply select any option, whatever your goal. Select the target audience option, then tap on next. Set up the budget, tap on next. So now simply tap on add a new payment method. From here you can simply select your country, region and currency, then tap on next. And here you can select your payment method. So now you are able to add a payment method for Instagram promoted post. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.